Alright, just got some food. The bike's loaded. Going riding by myself. So, oh, and I got some new hair. Making me a lot faster now. But riding by myself at Highland today, I'm kind of scared, to be honest, because I just don't want to wreck and have to deal with all the injuries by myself. Carlton's working, that's why he can't ride, so we couldn't ride tomorrow because it's supposed to rain. So yeah, I'm going by myself because I need to ride and get out more videos, hopefully weekly. So yeah, about to get some money out of the ATM and head there.
Dude, I call second ride. Second ride. Dude, I'd come look at your bike, man.
Yeah.
That's pretty. I've seen them at the dealership. They don't, never look right in there.
It looks so much better in the dirt. Yeah, this is my second ride on it.
Dude, don't rush, man. It's muddy as fuck out there.
Yeah,
man.
and I'm like alone, so I'm like,
yeah, it's sketchy when you're by yourself.
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, I like the way they lightened up the clutch cover because ours looked like fucking garbage in 2 rides, you know.
Yeah,
that's sweet, man.
Yeah, I've already had this cover fall off last time I rode it.
Which one?
The battery cover.
No shit.
Yeah, I got like zip tied.
Oh, your battery's there now.
Yeah.
Damn, so they changed that.
Yeah. I like the whole sight.
I like the hydraulic clutch. I don't know how much I like them. I hadn't really ridden one.
Yeah, it took me a second to get used to it because I had an older.
It's a vague feeling, huh? You're either on or off.
Yeah,
I'm okay with that.
It's like literally as soon as you touch it, it's engaging.
Yeah, I can see how it could feel like that. It feels good though, pulling in.
Yeah, I have 5 different people in my head telling me to get off the fucking clutch half the time anyway when I'm in a corner, from just riding around,
Yeah.
I don't even use it. I just smack that bad boy down.
That's awesome, dude. Yeah. Had any problems with the mapping there? Having all the problems with, or you've been good?
I've heard people talking about the bogging and stuff,
right.
But to me, it's like 2 times faster than my last 450.
Right.
Hey, Carlton, when you're watching this, thanks for leaving your flannel in my truck, so now I can stay warm. It might be a little muddy when I return it to you, but it's all good. Holy shit, this thing's fucking swallowing my ass. Fuck it, I'm not wearing it.
It's not really that flanky, is it?
You got lucky this time. Alright, so I went out for a ride. I come back, sit for about an hour or whatever, just talking with these guys. And I go to ride again, and watch. Nothing. Shit is fucked already. And I have no clue what to do because it's battery. I don't think I can bump start it. So at this point, I don't know what I'm gonna do to fix it. But the track's super muddy, so hopefully it's a lot better if I even get to ride it again. So we'll see. All right, well, about to leave because my bike won't even fucking start. I rode 1 lap on it. It won't even run. You just sit there and keep hitting the starter, nothing happens. So now, hopefully, Mountain Motorsports will do something because I've only owned it 1 week, but we'll see. So we're about to call them and head over there, I guess. All right, well, I just dropped the bike off at Mountain Motorsports. Didn't run at all. Basically, they're not gonna help me out on anything, so I'm still gonna have to pay the minimum of $160 just for them to look at it, which is fucking dumb because I just bought the bike literally 7 days ago. I bought the bike, so they're gonna look at it. They probably won't get to it till probably next week. Typical Mountain Motorsports. So yeah, we'll see what the problem is. My guess is like either something to do with the fuel or ECU, but we'll see. I'm kind of pissed off just because the bike's fucking brand new. Doesn't even run. I wasted a drive all the way out there to ride. Now I'm wasting a drive to drop it off here and $160 just for them to look at it when it's brand new. I mean, I get that it's a race bike, but still, like, it has less than an hour on it maybe. So yeah, it's just kind of ridiculous.